Today we learn about Ivam Indrajit, and Ivam Indrajit is a play written by Badal Sarkar. First, it is important for you to go through by the writer, and it is important for you to learn about the author of this play. So the author and the playwright of this play, that is Badal Sarkar. Badal Sarkar was a dramatist. He was a dramatist and he was a great playwright, and he was a theatre director as well. And he was a theatre director from Bengal. He was born on 15th July 1925 in Kolkata. His father was a history professor. Badal Sarkar studied from Scottish Church College, Bengal Engineering College and Jadavpur University. While working as an architect in India, he entered theatre and becomes a great director. He started with acting and later moved to playwright as well as direction. He also became a great playwright. He is considered one of the most prominent and influential modern Indian playwrights. He has written more than 50 plays in a career. He won many awards like Padma Shri in 1972, Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 1968, Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship Award in 1997. Badal Sarkar wrote many works like Ivam Indrajit, Pralap, Trinsha Shatabdi and Sheshnai. So this is the introduction of the author of the playwright of this work, that is Badal Sarkar. Next is come to know about some points before starting this lecture on Ivam Indrajit work by Badal Sarkar. So it is important for you to go through with this. Ivam Indrajit, a work or play written by Badal Sarkar. When the playwright starts to write his play, he describes that he himself decides to not giving any identity of his own. He doesn't show any focus of him to write the play, and he gets inspiration to write this play from audience by help of Mansi. The writer doesn't give any type of identity of his own, and he also showing himself as an helpless person. He shows that he doesn't give any attention, any attention on his writing. So he decides to get inspiration on his imagination character, that is Mansi. In the audience, he also sees 4 latecomers, and he chooses that 4th one for his writing. And the 4th one who also reveals his identity, and the writer makes him protagonist of his work, that is, and giving him name, that is Ivam Indrajit. Badal Sarkar, writer of this play, decides to choose 4 latecomers from the audience, and he wants to make 4th one who decides to reveal his identity. Writer makes him protagonist of his work. All over the play is based on the inspiration of writer to write a play, and describes how he can choose the protagonist Ivam Indrajit for his play. Ivam Indrajit, and he puts the name of his work, play on name of the protagonist. Now, next, the first important point, that writer present himself helpless because he doesn't give any attention on his writing. Writer present himself in position where he finds himself to not getting any inspiration to write. Ivam Indrajit by Badal Sarkar, a play, describes that how writers succeed to write this play. When the play starts, then we see that the writer tries again and again but fails. He presents himself in front of us like that he doesn't get inspiration to write. Writer writes on paper and then tears off the paper. When writer presents in front of the reader, too busy to write, then reader also comes to know about his aunt. Aunt always calling the writer, and her attention diverts because her aunt is calling him again and again, not by his name but by Nribble. Scribble, scribble, scribble for many times. His aunt calls him always scribble, scribble, scribble. So his attention divert, and he doesn't give any attention and mind to his writing. In this play, we see that the writer's predicament who painfully struggle to write a play, he goes on writing with no contentment to himself and tears of whatever he writes on the paper. Writer presents as a scribble by his aunt in front of the audience. Now the reader also comes to know about his another name, that is Scribble, whom his aunt calls him. Ivam Indrajit, a play by Badal Sarkar, describes the contempt and of the writer for writing. He tries for writing, he works hard for writing, but he always tears off the paper because his attention diverts, because his aunt's calling him scribble, scribble, scribble many times. He tries to write again and again but feels disappointed. He writes and then tears off the paper, whatever he writes. Writer describes his attempts and hard work for writing. So the reader also comes to know about his hard work. Reader agree that he is a very hard work, and he also gets too much labor. He gives too much labor on his writing, but because of his attention diversion, so he fails, and he tears off whatever he writes. He writes and then tears off the paper whatever he writes. Writer describes his attempts and hard work for writing. He fails because he doesn't get any inspiration to write. His attempt of writing makes him scribble. His aunt calls him scribble. When writer finds himself busy for completing his work, then his irritating aunt calls him scribble, scribble, scribble. Not only in one time but for many times. And the writer feels irritated and tears off whatever he writes. Mansi appears and her presence become an inspiration for a writer. Now the writer also describes his own imagination character, and he describes that Mansi is his imagination character. She is not a real character at all, and the writer describes that his imagination character, his imaginative character, that is Mansi, becomes his inspiration. She gives him inspiration. She gives him idea to please choose 4 latecomers in the audience, and also makes them character of your work, and you can also get inspiration from them. So the writer said that Mansi also becomes a reason of inspiration for him. Writer tries to find out inspiration, but he fails because he doesn't get inspiration from anywhere to write. He tears off whatever he writes. Then suddenly Mansi appears on the stage and becomes an inspiration of the writer. Mansi gives inspiration to the writer and helps him to write. Mansi appears and her presence is enough for the writer to encouraging himself for write and to focus on his work. Mansi says, "Won't you read out what you have written so far?" This is the quote of Mansi. But writer says that he has not written anything. "I don't know why I am tearing off the paper. Whatever I write, I am tearing. I don't know many people around me about whom I can write." Mansi then directs the writer's attention towards the audience. When Mansi appears on the stage and becomes his inspiration, then she gives him idea that to choose someone in the audience. Writer doesn't know first that many people are around him, and he doesn't know for whom he can write, but Mansi idea provides him an inspiration. Mansi directs the writer attention towards the audience and asks him that writer can write about the problems of people, common people from audience, which they can face today. Writer turns his face towards the audience and decides to look out for the plot of his play from his observation of the lives of people present in the audience. Mansi's suggestion works, and writer chooses 4 latecomers from the audience and asks them to come on the stage. So this idea also becomes in writer's mind because of his imaginative character, that is Mansi. Mansi's suggestion really works, and then writer asks and chooses 4 latecomers and asks them to come on the stage. They are Amal Kumar Bose, Virmal Kumar Ghosh, Kamal Kumar Sen and Nirmal Kumar. Writer is having doubt on the name of 4th person, and he asks him to revealing the truth about his name and showing his real identity. On the writer's persistence, Nirmal Kumar finally reveals his identity as Indrajit Roy, and his age is to be 35. Writer asks him that why he hide his identity, what is the reason behind this. Indrajit told him that he was scared of unrest, and further says that one invites unrest by breaking the norm. Indrajit presents that he likes Mansi and feels comfortable to sharing time with her. So this is imaginative characters. Now the writer starts his writing. Mansi is an imaginative character, and she also becomes an inspiration for the writer as well. Now writer also chooses an character that is 4th comer, and he gives him name that is Indrajit. Badal Sarkar, he can give him name that is Ivam Indrajit, but his real name that is Indrajit Roy. And now he describes his story that he also having an affair with a name that is Mansi, a girl name is Mansi. So Mansi also becomes inspiration for the writer, that is imaginative character. And the another character that is 4th comer, that is Ivam Indrajit, also describes that he also likes Mansi. Indrajit presents that he likes Mansi and feels comfortable to share time with her. Writer describes the inner feeling of Indrajit, the character who presents him as Nirmal. Mansi happened as Indrajit's cousin sister, and both of them are very close to each other. Indrajit says to writer that he likes Mansi and feels very comfortable with her. The things which he doesn't feel comfortable to share with anybody, he can comfortably share with Mansi, that girl. Indrajit says that Mansi cannot judge him and he has no fear of this thing. He feels happy and light with Mansi. In this play, writer describes about the love feeling of the Indrajit towards Mansi. Mansi presents herself that she always follow the rules which society puts on girls. Now that Mansi, who she also carries an affair with the Imam Indrajit, she also describes that she also lives in society and she obeys the rules of the society. In the play, writer describes about the discussion for rules between Mansi and Indrajit. Writer says that Indrajit talks about rules with Mansi. Indrajit says to her that if she likes to go by rules, and she says that she does. Mansi says that she should follow the rules. She is matured enough to understand that she cannot find with the society to establish her own set of rules and doesn't even know who she has to fight with. She has no power and she has no right at all to fight with the rules, established rules of the society. Then Indrajit marries with another girl who also has name Mansi, because Mansi, beloved of Indrajit, asked him that she doesn't get married. Indrajit का एक अफेयर था एक मानसी गर्ल के साथ, इमाम इंद्रजीत का, बट वो मानसी उसे शादी करने से मना कर देती है बिकॉज शी सेड दैट शी इज़ बाउंडिंग इन द रूल्स विच इस्टेब्लिश बाय द सोसाइटी एंड शी डजंट मैरी हिम. सो इंद्रजीत बताते कि मैंने किसी और लेडी के साथ शादी की एंड उसका नाम भी मानसी था. Mansi for the writer is an imaginative character, and Imam Indrajit also be having like affair with two that before marriage and after marriage, both of them having name that is Mansi. And Indrajit marries a woman who has name Mansi. Indrajit wants to marry his beloved Mansi, but she doesn't. After marriage of Indrajit, Mansi tries to continue her relation with Indrajit, but after the marriage, that before marriage of Mansi wants to continue her relationship with Indrajit again. At that time, writer describes that what about the rules for Mansi now. अब उसके लिए rules नहीं बदले. Before marriage, जब इंद्रजीत ने उसे propose किया, at that time she said that she is bounding between the rules and she doesn't go through with these rules. But after the marriage, she also decided that she is ready to carrying an affair with a married man. तो अब writer question put कर रहा है, अब उसके लिए rule कहाँ गए? She doesn't follow the rules now and she has no interest to know about Indrajit's marriage life. She meets with him and also in his touch. Mansi says that she doesn't want to know about his wife because she doesn't know her. She only wants to talk about Imam Indrajit. She said that she has no problem, she has no worry about his wife at all. Now we come to know about the last part of the play, that is Mansi gives hope to Indrajit and asks him to be optimistic. Now Imam Indrajit also present himself that he also loves with Mansi before marriage, that is Mansi, and then Imam Indrajit says that he feels himself helpless and alone because he loves her too much. But Mansi said that please become optimistic. Now she also becomes inspiration for the writer too and for the Imam Indrajit too. Mansi gives hope to Indrajit and asks him to continue the way of his life and walk on. Mansi gives hope to Indrajit to be optimistic. Indrajit tells Mansi how he finds it difficult to accept life as it is and want to quit. But Mansi says that carries on way of walking in life, goes on beyond the road, and there is no escape. Mansi keeps on optimistic and not lose hope on life. Mansi says to Indrajit that to be optimistic and always try to carry on the journey of the life. Mansi Indrajit को कहती है to be optimistic and be walk और चलते जाओ. And Mansi always appear as a positive character for the writer and for the Imam Indrajit too. And Mansi inspiration really provides new way of life to the writer as well as to the protagonist. Walk beyond the road, go on and on. For us there is only the road, we shall walk, we can't be stopped. Now we come to conclusion of this play. Imam Indrajit by Badal Sarkar describes that writer gets his inspiration, Mansi, and with help of her, writer makes Imam Indrajit his protagonist. In this play, writer describes the relationship between Mansi and Indrajit. Mansi presents to give an inspiration to writer and then to Imam Indrajit as well. At last in the play, she presents to giving hope to Indrajit and asks him to be optimistic. The play ends with Mansi standing between writer and Imam Indrajit and saying, "Walk beyond the road, go on and on. For us there is only the road, we shall walk." So उसके ये कोट से when Mansi said all this thing, be walk, we shall walk, we can't be able to stop, हमें नहीं रुकना चाहिए, please be optimistic, please be positive. And she also creates an image of positive women. She also creates her image as an inspiration women for a writer and for Evam Indrajit too. And the play ends on this quotes, which is also be saying by Mansi, that walk beyond the road, go on and on, we shall walk, for us there is only the road. Writer's assertion of his belief in a journey towards no defined goal, knowing for certain that the road is meaningless and the journey is irrational and futile. So this is my lecture based on Evam Indrajit Badal Sarkar. So thank you so much for seeing my video, watching my video, and please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.